Hello, my name is Juana. I am from Argentina. I speak Spanish as my first language. I also speak Portuguese. I am a literature teacher. I have a communication degree and I finished my 2 years yoga teacher training last year. I love writing and poetry, so I kind of combine those things with yoga in a workshop I created with a coworker. We call it Yoga and Literature. We combine yoga and meditation techniques with visualizations to get the inspiration for writing. Another of my passions is traveling. That's why I started learning how to teach yoga in English, and that's how I discovered Enga and Annie. I saw teaching yoga in English as a great opportunity to work abroad, and the teaching skills and tools that the continuing education for yoga teachers program provides gave me the confidence I needed to trust myself as a yoga teacher, and took the opportunity to work in another country the last summer season. Now I'm working in an online yoga and meditation platform, so I can be able to perceive an income wherever I go. Working with Annie really helped me not only focus on my goals, but also be clear about the step-by-step framework I needed to make to actually achieve my goals. So I really love this academy and the continuing education for international yoga teachers program, and I recommend them if you want to improve your communication skills and to grow your yoga business.